Do you know that some cooking oils in grocery stores are not just good for your health, but how do you select the best cooking oil for weight loss? In this video, you will discover the 8 best cooking oil to use frequently at home. Stay tuned. In terms of calories, all cooking oils are naturally rich in calories. In fact, 1 tablespoon of oils is made up of 120 calories. Since you have weight loss in mind, you must consider the quantity of oil you consume per day. However, nutrition experts have revealed that the addition of healthy oils to your regular meal plan can help you avoid overeating. Therefore, when you are not eating food in excess, you can easily control your calorie intake per day. The best healthy cooking oils for weight loss consist of the following. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best healthy cooking oils for weight loss. It is one of the most popular cooking oils because of its rich nutritious value. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat. The oil helps to decrease after-meal blood sugars and to lower cholesterol levels as well. Experts recommend extra virgin olive oil because it comes naturally with raw flavors. This type of olive oil is unrefined, and it also helps to improve the aromas of your food. Due to its flavor, it may come at a higher price. You can use virgin or pure olive oil to cook varieties of foods. 2. Sesame oil. Sesame oil comprises polyunsaturated fats. In some cases, it still provides the body with a small number of monounsaturated fats as well. Since it can provide polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, sesame is said to come with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Just like most healthy cook oils, sesame provides an intense flavor and aroma to the food. Sesame can help to lower your risk of getting atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. These diseases can occur due to excess fat and other harmful substances in the artery walls. They can also make the vessels increase your blood pressure. Therefore, you can avoid this health challenge when you make sesame a regular choice of cooking oil. 3. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acids. Since the oil also contains polyunsaturated fats, it helps to provide your body with numerous health benefits. Flaxseed helps to reduce your risk of getting some types of cancer. Its oils also help to lower the symptoms of arthritis, constipation, and high cholesterol. A study revealed that omega-6 fatty acids contained in flaxseed can help to decrease the risks of stroke, heart disease, and early death. Therefore, you will attract numerous health benefits to your body system when you use the flaxseed oil consistently. 4. Avocado oil. Avocados come with monounsaturated fats, which makes them unique among all fruits. They also come with essential nutrients such as vitamin E, potassium, and many others. Basically, avocado oil also contains powerful antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein. Avocado oils can withstand a high smoke point. Therefore, they can serve as the best choice for frying and sautéing. A study suggests that avocado oil contains a high nutritional value at both low and high temperatures. 5. Canola oil. Canola oil is naturally low in saturated fat, and it can serve as a great replacement for unhealthy oils. Therefore, you need to avoid saturated fats and use canola oil to attract numerous health benefits to your body. It comes with a high smoke point, which is greater than that of olive oil. Unlike most cooking oil, canola can serve as the best option for high-temperature cooking. When you prefer to prepare salad, you may need to avoid canola oil since it does not contain much flavor or taste. 6. Almond oils. Almond oils, when compared with other healthy oil, are slightly high in calories. But when you consume it in a reduced quantity, it can help promote healthy weight loss. When you decide to use this oil, ensure that you use unrefined almond oil, as the refined type comes with lesser nutrients. It contains less saturated fats and more monounsaturated fats. It also contains antioxidants that help to keep your heart in a healthy state. Almond oil can be used for baking and cooking other meals at home. 7. Rice Bran Oil. This oil is gotten from the rice husk. It is a rich source of vitamin E and other additional nutrients. Rice Bran Oil contains monounsaturated fatty acids that enable it to reduce cholesterol levels. It comes with a powerful antioxidant known as Y-oryzanol. Generally, Rice Bran Oil supports weight loss and can lower your chances of getting cardiovascular diseases. 8. Coconut oil. Most people in southern India prefer to use coconut oil to make their regular meals because of its numerous benefits to the body. Coconut oil is gotten from coconut kernel, and it comes with saturated fats. Most oils that contain saturated fats are classified as unhealthy cooking oils. However, the saturated fats contained in coconut oil are healthy. Basically, coconut contains medium-chain triglycerides that support weight loss. When you prefer to use this type of oil for your regular meals, you should go for virgin coconut oil as they offer numerous benefits to the body. In conclusion, as you begin to make plans for your meals, ensure that you use only healthy cooking oil to prepare the food. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.